times that I could get involved with a number of different areas. So I got involved with the fundamentals of care, feeding the patients. I looked at care plans and the need for risk assessments and statutes and laws such as DOLS. I also got to understand why a lot of the residents are in the care homes, and the majority of them are there because they've got dementia, so it gave me the opportunity to learn about the different types of dementia and the disease progression. I think in care homes there are a number of places that you can find learning if you really want to.